her.
My teddy bear's head is stuck in the closet. Sorry. This is Kiara. Kiara will be burping her ABCs. She's blonde. Get on the road.
That was it. This looked like... I can't burp no more. Shit. I think I'll stop. Come on, just peel.
This is all lies. Well, there's a wall there, by the way.